Hello everyone and welcome to Carson National Forest. I'm going to do some riding. First riding of the trip. Well, technically last night I went for a quick ride for about an hour. But now we're going to get into the real stuff. Going to drop that rubbish off and explore some trails. Let's do it. Alright, I'll explain the situation here. Basically you can camp anywhere along the sides here where there's spots. See, there's a spot up here for example. And you just keep going up this road a couple of miles and it turns into trails. There's also trails on either side. This is the start of the trails right there. That one goes up, trail number 8. I'm going to try a different one today. I'm just going to keep going straight. And I went to one that was on the right up here. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's Polly something. So, yeah, you just kind of head along and then you go to the trail. So, let's hit some trails up. Okay, this is the first trail I'm going to explore. It's called Sardinus. Trail number 12. The bike's not exactly running crisp up the bottom. Took a couple of turns out of the pilot screw, but might have to do a little bit more. Going up. So it's getting cold. My bike's running like a bag of shit. Try to change some settings. Oh my god. Look at this. Woo! Come on, bike. Gosh, I would love to have the KLX 300 right now. That fuel injection would be perfect. Look at that. Whew, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Really snow again. I think that's gonna be about it. And that, everyone, is why we do it. Plus, it's fun as fuck riding a motorbike. Oh, that shit's slippery. There it ends. Alright, back down we go. Think of worse things to do, everyone. Done. That's it. Back to the start. Oh. That runners trail number 12. Loved it. On to the next. How you doing? how good. Oh my god. Amazing. Which way am I going, everyone? Right through the gates. And that way. Woo! I didn't go that way last time. I'm going this way. I found another one. This one's called 76E. Outside. Inside. Jeez, this place is gorgeous. Look at it. Whew. I'm gonna try to tackle more enduro style trail. My bike yesterday was running like, oh shit, mixed that up. My bike yesterday was running terrible, so it's starting to run a little bit better. Hopefully I can make it up. It's called trail number 8. Okay, here's the entrance. This is a good trail. Hit that. Get up there. This is good. This is trail 8 I've been on. It's more enduro style and it's a lot of fun. I'm not sure how far I am, but I've got to head back to the car. Well, RV I should say. Because I got to get going. Got to get in and move on to our next destination. But from what I've written, if you're into more this style of stuff, do this track. Policarpo, I think it's called. And number 12. They are just awesome off-road riding and a really good variety, especially Policarpo. That's my favourite so far. That was a really nice track. But yeah, this is one that's great too. It's a bit more technical, it's tight and twisty. My bike's running like a bag of shit, but I'm still having a blast. Carson Forest, recommend it 100%. Awesome camping. There's a stream along the camp. It's amazing. There's heaps of spots to camp as well along the way. I'm not sure about the fees. There's 2 areas I know you have to pay. I'm not sure if we have to pay where we are. We'll double check that on the way out. If not, it's like $10, so it's absolutely nothing, but definitely recommend this. Alright, I'm going to head back down, film the way back down as well. You could do this on bigger bikes. I think you could definitely do it on a Husky 701, KTM 690, KLR 650, Tenere 700. Any bigger than that, no. And it would be a handful on those bigger bikes. Like, this is fine, isn't it? This is heavier than an enduro bike. Bulky little dual sport. Oh, we're going this way. But enduro bikes, this is what it's made for. But the thing is, if you've got a bigger bike, like a Tenere and that, there's plenty of tracks for that as well. I wouldn't do the Poly Carpo, what it's called. No. You could, but be a handful. Big shout out to the New Mexico Enduro guys for putting me on the spot, mainly Sam. Gotta love the motorcycle community.